Easy and delicious strawberry shortcake cobbler. For the cobbler, I used a recipe from Preppy Kitchen that I will link below. I'll be putting up on the screen what I did, which is half of Preppy Kitchen's recipe. Usually when people make a cobbler, they only macerate their berries for a few minutes. I love to let my strawberries soak for about 6 to 8 hours at least. It renders a little bit of that sweet strawberry drizzle that you can keep on the side. You don't want to bake that juice in, but keep it on the side and we'll drizzle it on top after. It's delicious. What makes it a strawberry shortcake cobbler? I love to serve it with homemade whipped cream and the sauce, a little drizzle from the strawberries. Most people serve their cobblers with ice cream. I do the whipped cream and the strawberry drizzle, and that's what makes it a strawberry shortcake cobbler.